Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful eye look, so colorful, perfect for this time of year. And my sister actually sent me a picture of Gina, I believe is her name, and I will post the picture right here so you guys can see, and it was inspired by her. And I explained to you step by step how I created it in case you're a beginner, so it won't be hard to recreate. So I hope you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. And please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like this look. And now let's get started. With this concealer Fit Me from Maybelline, I'm going to clean the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'm using Anastasia's A4 flat brush. You can use any blush for this part right here. Then I'm going to apply a little bit more of that same concealer on my eyelid, and I'm going to use this as a primer for my eyeshadows, and I'm using the Real Techniques sponge to blend it out, and it has to be nice and blended in order for the eyeshadows to apply and blend out really nice. It's a really important step, and if you already have your makeup, like the foundation on your face, you want to make sure you blend out the edges where the concealer meets the foundation. That way it's not too obvious where they meet. Now I'm going to grab this pressed powder from Rimmel, and I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm using a Pro Fusion fluffy brush. You want to do this in tapping motions, that way the concealer doesn't move, and this is going to help a lot for the eyeshadows to blend out faster and easier. So it's a step I always recommend, especially if you're a beginner. You can also use a translucent powder or a matte eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone. Now I'm going to grab this highlighter from Anastasia and Amrezy, and I'm using the Real Techniques detailer brush to apply it on the arch, on my brow bone, right under the arch of my eyebrow, just to give it a nice highlight, a little glow to the brow bone. First, I'm going to grab this eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Volume 3, and I'm going to grab this eyeshadow using this brush from Urban Decay, and I'm going to apply this in tapping motions right on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to start blending that into my crease, a little bit above the crease because I want this eyeshadow to show when I have my eyes open, and I'm just going to keep blending it out until I like how it's looking before applying the second layer. And the second layer is just to deepen up the color of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to grab this other palette from Anastasia Volume 2. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow with the ES3 brush from Pro Fusion, and I'm going to apply this right on the center of my eyelid. I'm just going to go up and down like this, first not passing the crease a lot. I'm going to start blending out the sides of the eyeshadow, and it's going to make the eyeshadow a little bit wider, just covering the center of the eyelid. And once you're blending out the edges where the eyeshadow meets the purple one, you don't want to have a lot of product on the brush. And then with whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to start blending it out on my crease, and this eyeshadow does blend out really nice with the purple eyeshadow. I'm going to grab this yellow eyeshadow with the small brush, and this part is really quick and easy because it's just the tiny little inner corner of the eyelid. I just apply it in tapping motions and then just blend it out into the orange shade. Now I'm going to mix these two shades just to make sure it kind of matches a little bit the picture I showed you guys earlier for my lower lash line, and I'm going to apply this in tapping motions as close to the lash line as I can and then blend it out a little bit lower than that. And right here I'm also going to apply 2 layers just to deepen up the shade. Now I'm going to grab this shimmery eyeshadow with the Real Techniques detailer brush and apply this on my inner corner. This is going to be different because I've never applied this inner corner highlight before, but I think it looks really nice. I'm going to grab this liquid eyeliner Perversion from Urban Decay, and I'm going to do the eyeliner starting on the center right above the eyelashes. And I'm going to have it thin on the inner corner and then towards the outer corner a little bit thicker. For the wing, I'm going to start making the line from the outer corner of my eye and then connecting it on the top with the other eyeliner on my eyelid, and then just fill it in, and that's it. The eyelashes that I'm going to be wearing are from my brand EyesomeLux in the style EyesomeLux. These I feel go perfect with this look because with an eyeliner, because eyelashes are short from the inner corner and then towards the outer corner a little bit longer. It gives you that perfect look along with the eyeliner. I'll put the link to my website in the description box below in case you guys want to order a pair. Last but not least, I'm going to apply the Lancome Doll Lashes mascara on my lower lashes, and this completes the whole look. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you. And if it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and your family. And if you guys want a shout out in my next video, let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to give you a shout out. And if you are new, also let me know, and also let me know where you're from if you want, and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!